Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Portable Hotspot on this device. So first of all, you have to open Settings. Next you have to go to the Connection and Sharing, Portable Hotspot. You can switch it here. You can also change some of its settings here. For example, you can change its name here. You can change its password. You can change its security protocol here. You can change its identification, and you can also change your AP band. And here you can share your QR code for instant connection to your portable hotspot. You can also set your one-time data limit. You can set it to turn off automatically if nobody is connected. You can also enable this feature support 6th generation standard. There's also an option Bluetooth tethering, and you can also manage connected devices here and set a limit of connections. And there's also a block list for devices. And you can also switch portable hotspot here at the upper bar. Here it is. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.